All right, so part C of the rolling motion problem in physics. So for part C, determine the angular acceleration. So the rolling constraint, that's going to give A is equal to beta times R. So isolating beta is equal to A over R. And from what was found previously in part A, our beta is equal to 4g sine theta um, divided by 7r. So from there, we could say its direction is such that the cylinder is going to rotate as it goes ahead and rolls down the incline. So part C, that's pretty much all we need for at least for this part. So next video will be part D. That's all for part C. Thank you very much and have a great day.